Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about fidgets. You know, on YouTube some people talk about fidgets. I don't know if it goes viral or anything, but I got a whole box right here. Some of these are homemade and a lot of these are from Amazon and some are from my birthday. So let's get started with the homemade ones. I have this. Now, I looked up on YouTube to see how to make globbles, and it said dip a balloon in soap and water, get another one and do that. So I just did it, and it worked, but then one of them popped, so I just made it into a squishy. That's my homemade one. Now put that on. I got a water timer from Amazon. And this one is different from all the others. It's kind of like a race to me. Has the spinning wheels. And yeah, and it's blue and pink. Now we also got a poppet. Now there's a quiet side. And the loud side. Oh, that's here we go. Yeah, that's the loud side. Pop it. This one was not from Amazon, it's from my birthday. We got these, football and basketball. And they're pretty hard. They're like foam. And these are from Amazon. We also got these putties from Amazon. This one's clear with a whole bunch of watermelon and fruits. This one's kind of like Galaxy. Here, I'll open one up. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, it's shaped like an egg and it has a line in the middle for the mold. This back in here. So, I am new to YouTube, and this is my first video. Okay, so this one I forgot to mention. This is from my friend's party. Maybe you'll see something that it kind of looks like it. It has a whole bunch of silly strings that stretch, and then this part right here, it used to have like a whole string you put on your finger and you could play with it. It also glows up. Maybe I can make it glow. It won't glow. So yeah, this is from the party. I also got this block cube. I really like it, the light colors in it. So yeah. This is from Amazon. And then I also got these marble mesh. You can do this, it's really fun. And these are from Amazon. And they have marbles in it. As I said, like the string from the party, got a whole bunch of monkey bands, I think that's what they're called. And yeah, I got yellow, pink, orange, purple, and blue, dark blue. And then just a box full of nothing. So yeah, comment down below which one was your favorite fidget. Putting it all back in the bucket. Okay. So, anyways, am I gonna end the video or not? I don't know. Galaxy Putty. I can open that right now. That to the side. Oh, there's a big bubble right here. Where yeah, it does break apart easily. These are brand new. I think I got them yesterday or the day before yesterday. I think it was yesterday. So yeah. And then I used to have two squishies with that net on them. One was an Orby, one was one of those normal ones, but they both popped. At least the normal one without the Orbeez in it, it popped and I collected the slime, so lucky me. So yeah, I'm